Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. All you Hot Wheelers out there, welcome back to 164 Scale Racing again. Picked up this little Hot Wheels 8-pack Walmart. Figured we'd check it out. Let's unbox it, see what's in it. First up, we got a custom '69 Chevrolet. It's like a step side truck. Custom grill. And next we got a El Segundo Coupe, black and gold. And we got a Mock It Go. Hot Wheels across the front, '03. And next we got a Driftster. Driftster. And looks like we got a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Pretty lime green with black stripes. And we got a Corvette Z7 Z06. And we got a funny looking track hammer. Old track hammer. Got two people inside. That's the track hammer. It's one of the main reasons why I got the 8-pack. I like the square body pickups. It's '83 Chevy Silverado. Pretty nice truck. But anyway, just wanted to show you this little Hot Wheels 8-pack I got. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Got a bunch of old cars, new cars, weird cars, different cars, cars you probably ain't never seen before on my channel. Check it out. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.